So we just got our customer Mark's 2009 A3 3.2 just got dropped off, and he's getting a DTM350 kit put in it by HPA. This is a really rare one. It's an 09. It's got the updated front end on it with the 3.2 in it, and there's only a handful of these A3s in Canada, and it has the DSG. So we just received our package from HPA, the full DTM kit. It took a little longer to get here with all the COVID going on around the world. So I wanted to show you the quality of the HPA parts individually, but as well do an unpacking and just show you how well these parts are organized when you receive them. So let's take a look. So we're going to do an unpacking of the HPA Turbo Kit, and I just wanted to show you how they put these together, so how well organized everything is. Now, I think I had mentioned before in our last video that what makes HPA better than some other companies that offer the 3.2 kit is the fact that it comes with everything. It comes from everything that you would need to have this car running properly and out the door. So it comes with all the coolant lines, the oil lines, all the boost hoses. Everything you would need is right here. When they say it's a kit, it's a complete kit. So here, of course, we've got our downpipe, all packaged up. This looks like it's possibly the just one of the PCV hoses. Here's your boost hose. This is for your, this goes from the back of the mass airflow to the inlet of the turbo, cold side of turbo. These are all your oil and coolant lines. So this is a DTM kit, meaning it's not intercooled. This is a 7 pounds of boost kit, right from the outlet of the turbo right into your throttle body. So that's the hose there. This is your heat shield for your turbo. Two heat shields. Here's your turbo manifold in this box. Running out of room here.
Probably the 1 port and DSG tune there.
This is your injectors and plugs. Those are your Siemens injectors with the pigtails. Comes with all the hardware. That's actually your hardware for your turbo. All the different fittings. Another heat shield. The This is the one that goes on the back of the factory 3.2 intake manifold, the plastic plenum. This one here. Let me open it here. All exhaust parts, brackets, boost hose, all your intake manifold gaskets, downpipe gaskets where it meets up to the back of the exhaust, your bracket for your downpipe from your turbo. All the bolts are there, all the nuts, exhaust manifold nuts.
That's probably the
This one
one
here
port,
is
maybe?
your, I believe, I don't want to open
Yeah.
that right now, but I believe that would be your race cam bearings
Oh,
with the ARP head studs. ARP connecting rod studs. This one here,
head gaskets.
heavy, this size. This is your head spacer. No, there's more goodies down here. This is all your intake pieces, emissions. There's a check valve, for example, that will be in that box. And this would be your compression reduction, oil plumbing. This would, your head studs would be in here as well. So everything is packaged up nicely. There's no questions to ask what's what when unpacking this. Yeah, I got your boost controller there. And in here, we have the heart of the whole project. Which is the Borg+Warner 7670 single scroll turbo. So that's it. That's everything unpacked. Everything that you would need to get the 360 horse and torque out of this A3. Non-intercooled, 7 pounds of boost. Reliable, everyday driver. And as you can see, everything is here. Every nut and bolt, cooling line, and oil line that you would need. So stay tuned as we build this car, put it together, and give it back to another happy customer.